How's it going, everyone? So today's video, it's gonna be super simple, but this is something that I've owned a Ram for a while now, and I've never really heard this before, but I stumbled across it the other day and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you guys have a newer Ram, you'll know that there's not really any auxiliary power other than the media port that stays always lit or hot or active. So you almost have to have the ignition turned on. I like to, on my vehicle at least, I like to run the power cable. I don't like wires messing around in here, so I plug in my cell phone to the back outlet back here. So basically, like I'm saying, unless you have the ignition turned on, you don't have power. So right now you can see my phone, it's not charging right now. Let me go ahead and show you something super simple you guys can do in about 2 seconds, and you can change that. So again, just to clarify with you guys, my phone is plugged into the back port here on the back center console, the cigarette lighter, and you can see right here it's not charging. Let me go ahead and show you guys how you can have that back cigarette lighter on all the time. So the truck's not on right now. You can see ignition is off. This is how easy it is. You can go to the front, pop the hood, open your fuse box. There's these 2 push tabs here, and you're gonna flip it open. You're gonna see here fuse 9091. So that's the number F90 and 91, and basically you can see you can jump the fuse over. So if you grab that fuse, wiggle it out, and move it over one position. So it's like that now. Now all of a sudden that cigarette lighter, the rear cigarette lighter, is always gonna have power. So if I go back to my phone, truck's still off. You can see my phone's charging right now. So that's it, guys. Super simple, and you can make that rear cigarette lighter always have power. Like I said, I usually run my cable to the front through the center console, just so I don't have any wires exposed in the front. So guys, I hope you find that helpful. Do give me a thumbs up for that one. I'm really happy that I found that. Apparently it's in the owner's manual somewhere. I've never heard of it. Maybe you guys have already heard of it or you know about it, but if you don't, I'm assuming you're gonna like it as much as I do, because now I can have my phone charging, I can have something charging, I can do basically whatever you could do with a cigarette lighter, you could do it without the ignition off on this back port here. So like I said, I usually run the wire through so that I don't have wires in my console here when I'm driving or operating my vehicle. But again, guys, give me a thumbs up for that one. Have a great weekend. Thanks again for all the support you guys have been giving me. I'm gonna keep the content coming. Headers are now on the truck currently for when this video is made, so we're gonna be going to the track with those headers. They've made a difference so far, but if you guys are stopping the channel for the first time, be sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification beside it, check out the Instagram page, Boosted Motorsports, at Boosted Motorsports, and check out the other videos on the channel for performance, maintenance, modified videos, all on Ram. I also have the Viper stuff on there, so lots to come, guys. We're gonna keep going with the Ram and more vehicles in the future. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video.